Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this name, surname of Spanish origin. We'll be looking at how to say more Spanish names and vocabulary, many mispronounced, so stay tuned. So here is on your screen is how you normally pronounce Ibanez. Ibanez. Okay, so let's break this down. You have an accent on the A, meaning that you have to emphasize on that ba syllable. That's easy. You have a little wave, a little tilde on top of the N, meaning it's to be pronounced as a ny. Now in Spain, the final Z or Z is pronounced like TH with a th sound. Ibanez, Ibanez in certain parts of Spain. In many parts of Latin America, for example, South America and other Spanish-speaking countries, the final Z is pronounced like an S, so it's fine to say Ibanez. Ibanez is fine as well. Ibanez or Ibanez is how you say this name in Spanish. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching.